Ever wondered why some small businesses thrive while others struggle? Today, we unlock the secrets to small business success. In the bustling world of entrepreneurship, small businesses often face a unique set of challenges. From managing cash flow to keeping up with the latest market trends, running a small business can feel like a high-stakes juggling act. But fear not. With the right strategy and a dash of creativity, thriving in the business ecosystem is an achievable dream. So what's the secret sauce to small business success? Well, it starts with a solid business plan. A business plan is your roadmap, detailing where you want to go and how you plan to get there. It's crucial to regularly update this plan as your business evolves. Remember, a business plan is a living document that should grow and change with your business. Next, understand your market. Conduct a thorough market research to identify your target customers and their needs. What do they want? What are their pain points? How can your product or service solve their problems? Understanding your audience will help you tailor your offerings to their needs, giving you a competitive edge. Cash flow is the lifeblood of any business. Therefore, manage your finances wisely. Keep a close eye on your income and expenses. Make sure you have enough cash to cover your operational costs and any unexpected expenses that may arise. Don't forget about marketing. In the digital age, online presence is key. Invest in a professional website and leverage social media platforms to reach your target audience. Remember, content is king. Provide valuable, engaging content that resonates with your audience. Lastly, never stop learning. The business landscape is constantly changing, so it's important to stay updated with the latest trends and technologies. Attend workshops, webinars, and networking events. Read books, articles, and blogs. Always seek ways to improve and grow. Now let's recap the main points. First, develop a solid business plan and update it regularly. Second, understand your market and tailor your offerings to their needs. Third, manage your finances wisely and keep a close eye on your cash flow. Fourth, invest in marketing and maintain a strong online presence. And lastly, commit to lifelong learning. Running a small business may be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. With the right strategy, a healthy dose of perseverance, and a pinch of creativity, you can navigate the business landscape and lead your small business to success. Remember, every big business was once a small business. So dream big, work hard, and don't be afraid to take risks. Your journey to success starts now.